As a developer, software development is what you call structured language, right? Meaning that there's a certain structure you follow, right? And, there are conditional statements, there are variables, there are all these things that you do that when you're building an application. When we think about AI and ChatGPT, we think of it as just a prompt, and we don't think of it as a structured language. What I learned in my big deep dive over the summer last year was that it really is a structured language, but it's with unstructured data, right? And that's kind of new, okay? You can actually create real structure if you're using the APIs, right? It's hard to do it with ChatGPT because of the limitations. And so what we learned how to do was to write really, really complex prompting, where the prompting is treated, even the stuff we build now, is treated as a programming language, right? So it's not just like one line. My prompts are like this long, like pages sometimes, right? And so the result of that is instead of, we don't get hallucination ever, okay? Everyone does, we don't, right? Because there's a way to write really, really good structured prompting code to get what's called deterministic outcomes.